how do you use match and index in Excel? We have used VLOOKUP, but more advanced form of lookup is match and index. Let's see how the match and index works, and it works similar to what we can get from the VLOOKUP, but it's more advanced. So let's look at this, how it works. So let's look at the individual these functions individually. First of all, let's look at index. So in the index function, we pass on an array and then pass on the index of the array from which you are to get the value. You can pass on a bigger number, for example, it'll not pass the actual value. So it has to be within the range. So so if it is 1, then it's going to send 64, this one. Now we want to get this value here for the ID 53. So that means for this ID we want to, so this, if this value is not found out, this was initially empty. So if this for this ID, that means this is the one that we want to basically select. So this is the value that should result from the function call. So for these, we have to first identify this one, and then from here we have to read here. So from here to here we have to read the 53, and then from 53 you have to read the salary. So for that we have to find the match. So first the match is going to give us the match index. So in the index for an array gives the actual value. So let's look at this once again. If I pass on index on this array, it's going to give me, and if I pass on 5, it's going to give me this value. So I have to find the index here. I have to find the index number 5. So for that, so let's call match. So match, we have to get the lookup value. So this is my lookup value. And then what is my array? This is my array. And we have to pass on the match type, and that says exact match. And if I had said, and I can show you the example, if I had shown the other, if I put the other values, then what the result would be. So you can see it. So match actually gives us the index. That's the number 5 line. So line number 5, that's the index. And from that index, from this array, this index reads the value $58,339. I hope you understand this one. So with the VLOOKUP, you can get this value, but then lookup is going to identify. So you basically select all of them, and then you pass on the lookup. So with the same range, we can try to find the value using VLOOKUP. So we have to pass on this value, and you're looking up this value in this range. And in this range, it's going to look at the first column, which is this column, and you try to find this value 53. And we are going to lock the range, and then we are going to find the column from which we are going to get the value. So that's our 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth column. And then if the value is not found, we are going to say false. So you can find the value this way as well. So this is the lookup, and this is the index match. So index match is much faster because you're using only one array here to find out the index position, and from this index position it's going to look at this other array, and it's going to find out the value from that array on the particular index. It's simple. That's how the index and match works together in place of lookup. Thank you for watching.